guys, first of all I just wanted to say a big thank you to all the people that have subscribed to my channel so far. You guys are awesome. And also thank you to everyone that has just taken the time to view my videos. If you would like to subscribe, you just need to log into your YouTube account and just search my name, Sky Trimming. And you can then just click on the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, it just means that you'll get a notification every time we upload a new video. So I put it to you guys on my blog to see what you wanted me to cook, and I've chosen to do Korean honey butter chicken. Thank you, Kay, for suggesting the idea. To start off, first I've got some chicken thigh fillets here, and I'm just going to give them a little bash. It's great to take out a little bit of tension with this if you need to. It doesn't have to be perfect, really. You just want to get them all roughly about the same size. So what I've got here is equal parts plain flour with corn flour, plus a little bit of salt and pepper and baking powder. And I'm going to add 1 egg. Just whisk this to combine and give that a nice coat. Just make sure it's all coated evenly, because that's the batter for our chicken. It's not looking very pretty right now, but it'll be awesome. So I'm just going to add the chicken into the deep fryer now. Just one bit at a time. So I've got the heat on about 180. And we'll leave that in for about 5 minutes before we take it out for the second fry. When you're working with the batter on chicken, sometimes it sticks together, so just make sure you, once you've given it a minute for that batter to sort of set, you might need to break some of the little bits apart. So this has been in the fryer for 5 minutes now. I'm going to take it out. It's looking really good. See how that batter has really puffed up. So I'm just going to let that sit for about 2 minutes, and then we'll pop it back in for another 3 minutes or so. So I'm just going to pop this back in for the second fry. I'm sort of inventing this recipe as we go. Normally I would use tapioca starch rather than corn flour, but I couldn't get that. But corn flour is fairly similar, and I'm happy with how it's turning out so far. So that's just going to need another 3 minutes or so. So this is looking good. We're wanting it to be really crunchy, like those chicken wings that I made. It has to be crunchy. So I might just give it another 30 seconds or so. Alright, that's good. I'm going to drain it now, and then we'll work on getting our sauce ready. I wish you guys had smell-o-vision, because this chicken smells amazing already. I'm going to get the sauce ready now. So here I've got some butter, some honey, soy sauce, and lastly here I've got just a little bit of sugar and garlic. So we really just need to melt the butter. So that's looking good. It's time to add the chicken and turn the heat off. Can't wait to try some. So that's ready now. I'm just going to plate it up. Just pile it up in a bowl. So nice. It's savoury and sweet. Very Moorish. I'm just going to sprinkle with some sesame seeds. Toasted sesame seeds. And some spring onion again, just give it a bit more colour. Mmm, so yum. I wish you guys could taste this. It smells like we're at KFC. Just awesome. I'm going to have a taste now. Mmm, beautiful. Savoury but sweet. Very Moorish. Thanks again for watching my videos. I'm looking forward to filming the next one. See ya. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.